To convert 77 Kelvin to Fahrenheit, first subtract 273.15 to get Celsius. Then multiply by 9/5 and add 32 to get Fahrenheit, which gives about -288.87 Fahrenheit. Think of Kelvin like a temperature scale that starts at absolute zero, and Celsius like a scale we use every day, and Fahrenheit like another common scale. To go from Kelvin to Fahrenheit, you first move Kelvin to Celsius by taking away 273.15 because Kelvin and Celsius are shifted by that amount. Then you stretch the Celsius value by a factor of 9/5 because Fahrenheit degrees are smaller. And finally, you shift the result by adding 32 since the 0 points differ. Doing this step by step for 77, Kelvin gives Celsius equals -196.15, then multiply that by 9/5 to get -320.87, then add 32 to reach about -288.87 Fahrenheit. Students often forget to subtract 273.15 first and try to convert directly, which mixes up the order and gives wrong answers. So always do the Kelvin to Celsius subtraction first. Another common mistake is using 9 divided by 5 as integer division or rounding too early, which loses accuracy. So keep the fractions and decimal places until the final step. Some people also forget to add 32 at the end because they think the multiplication covers everything. So remember the final shift for the different 0 point. For more videos and step-by-step resources on temperature conversion, visit www.gumballdegree.com.